Hi guys, we are on chapter 7, Crazy Shoes Day. I wonder what is going to happen today. Thursday was Crazy Shoe Day. Neil, the nude kid, had on army boots. Emily wore her mom's bunny slippers. I put 2 old shoe boxes on my feet. Everybody came to school with crazy shoes. During recess, Miss Lizzie came to the playground again. She had tennis rackets strapped to her feet. Did you wear these for Crazy Shoe Day? We asked. No, Miss Lizzie said. On Thursdays, I always wear rackets on my feet. Miss Lizzie is dizzy. What are you going to teach us today? Asked Ryan. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make fart noises with your armpit. Miss Lizzie announced. What? This lady is cool. I already knew how to make fart noises with my armpit. All boys know how to do that. But Miss Lizzie was really good at it. She could even change notes. She played Mary Had a Little Lamb on her armpits. It was amazing. You should have been there. The girls were not impressed with Miss Lizzie's musical armpit ability. That's gross, Emily said. Why would anyone ever need to know how to do that? Asked Andrea. Well, what if you were locked in a room, Miss Lizzie asked Andrea, and you were tied to a chair, and you couldn't escape no matter how hard you tried? If you could make a fart noise with your armpit, if you could make a fart noise with your armpit, somebody might hear it and send help. Couldn't I just yell and scream to get help? Andrea said. Not if they tie a rag over your mouth, said Miss Lizzie. That's why it's so important for kids to learn how to make fart noises with their armpits. I still say it's gross, Emily said. We're not doing that, said Andrea. I just hope you never get locked in a room and tied to a chair with a rag over your mouth, Miss Lizzie told the girls. Miss Lizzie taught the guys and me how to play Yankee Doodle Dandy on our armpits. For some of the notes, she used the back of her knee. It was cool. Then Miss Lizzie said she had to go, but told us to keep practicing our armpit farts if we wanted to get really good at it. We will, we promised. We started practicing right away. Emily and Andrea said it was gross. They went off to go play on the slide. That's when I got the greatest idea in the history of the world. Hey, everybody, or every time you want girls to go away, I told the guys, all you have to do is make armpit farts. You're right, Ryan said. As soon as we started making armpit farts, they left. AJ, you're a genius, Michael told me. No wonder you're in the gifted and talented program, said Neil the nude kid. I should get a Nobel Prize for figuring out how to get rid of annoying girls. That's, whoops, sorry guys. That's a prize they give to people who don't have bells. Actually, guys, the Nobel Peace Prize is an award that gives to people for allowing or for doing some amazing things to create peace in our world. But they just did a whole bunch of word spoofs off of that phrase. I hope you enjoyed that chapter. The next chapter is Crazy Everything Day. I cannot wait to see what they figure out.